guys, we're gonna draw the solar system today. So let's get started with 9 circles. And the first planet is Mercury. So let's draw open circles, open wavy circles, and we're gonna draw 6 of these. Then there's Venus. We're gonna draw wavy lines from left to right. And then Earth. Try to draw the continents. So I'm gonna draw North and South America. And then Mars, draw like a big continent and some circles like Mercury. Jupiter, draw wavy lines from left to right with a circle on the bottom left. Now Saturn, it has the ring. So let's draw the ring first. And inside the ring, we're gonna draw little curves. And then inside, we're gonna draw the lines from left to right. Uranus has a small ring. And then, like Saturn, lines left to right. Neptune has sort of like Uranus, but the lines are closed. Now the coloring part. For Mercury, we're gonna use yellow. And we're going to color yellow around the middle circles and then the rest brown. And at the end, we're going to color brown over the yellow parts we colored. For Venus, we're going to cover the whole planet white and then go over with brown on top of it. And then we're going to go over the brown with white again to make it creamy. Then Earth, the continents are going to be green and the water blue. Mars is known for its red color, so the top is going to be all red, and then the bottom we're going to add an orange tone to it, but cover it with red again. The sun is going to be all yellow, but we're going to add some red and orange tones on the bottom. And let's go over with yellow on top again. And then Jupiter has the storm orangey, and then we're going to do just like Venus, creamy tones for the other waves. Saturn has blue, orange, red, and purple tones. So we're going to go over with all of those with white. Uranus, it's greenish blue. And we use the white to combine the colors. And then Neptune is blue, so we're going to add a little bit of white to make it a baby blue. Thank you for watching.